Buying the best frying pan for eggs can mean the difference between perfectly cooked eggs every time and burnt eggs that stick to the pan like glue. So, with that in mind, here are the best frying pans for eggs that you should consider buying if you want delicious, chef standard eggs. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the products. If you're looking for a compact yet versatile frying pan, then the Alva Maestro 8-inch frying pan might be your new kitchen bestie. At just 1.8 pounds, it's a lightweight champ that won't tire out your wrist. And if you need a large pan for frying eggs, you can also get the Alva Maestro in 9.5-inch and 11-inch sizes as well. The ceramic nonstick coating is a game changer because it enables you to flip eggs and pancakes with ease using minimal oil. Plus, it's PFAS and PFOA free, so you can cook without worrying about nasty chemicals leaching into your delicious eggs. If you were to get a cheap Teflon pan, on the other hand, then this would be a constant concern. But not with Alva cookware. Besides its non-stick surface, heat distribution is where this pan really shines. The thick aluminum base spreads heat evenly, saying goodbye to those annoying hot spots. Your omelets will thank you. Cleanup is a breeze too. A quick wipe with a soft sponge and you're done. No more scrubbing marathons after dinner. The straight sides give you 20% more cooking space than typical rounded pans. That means more room for your stir fries and sautés. Oven safe up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan transitions smoothly from stovetop to oven. Perfect for finishing off that frittata. Just remember to keep the heat low to medium. Ceramic retains heat well, so you don't need to crank it up. And stick to wooden or silicone utensils if you can to keep that non-stick surface pristine. If you're looking for a versatile pan that can handle everything from frying eggs to cooking family-sized meals, then the Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet might be just what you need. At 6.5 pounds, this skillet strikes a great balance between durability and manageability. You'll appreciate its heft when searing steaks, but won't struggle to lift it off the stove when frying other foods. The smooth machine surface is a standout feature. It's designed to be naturally non-stick, making it perfect for delicate foods like eggs. No more frustrating stuck-on messes to scrub off later. Heat retention is where this skillet really shines. Cast iron is known for holding on to heat, and the Stargazer is expertly crafted to distribute that heat evenly. Your fried eggs will cook perfectly from edge to edge, and you'll be able to taste the difference for yourself. Versatility is another big plus because you can use this skillet on any stovetop, in the oven, or even over a campfire. From cornbread to bacon to pizza, this pan can handle it all. The design isn't just about function though, it's got some style too. The sleek look will fit right in with your modern kitchen aesthetic, and yet it has that classic cast iron appeal that never gets old. Made in the USA and built to last a lifetime, this skillet is available bare or pre-seasoned for your convenience. With free US shipping and returns, giving the Stargazer a try is pretty low risk. And based on the 4.9 star rating from other users, chances are you'll be pretty happy with your purchase. Ever thought about ditching your traditional non-stick pan for something a bit different? Enter the Xtrema ceramic frying pan. This unique, non-toxic cookware is made entirely of ceramic. No metal core or coatings here. The 9.5-inch Traditions model gives you plenty of room to whip up your favorite dishes. Its wide base and flared sides make it easy to flip those pancakes or slide an omelet onto your plate. You might be wondering about its non-stick abilities. While it's not Teflon slick, it comes pretty close, and a little preheating and oil go a long way. For perfect eggs, try heating the pan on low for a couple of minutes before adding your oil and ingredients. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the cooking performance. One of the coolest things about this pan is its versatility. You can use it on the stovetop, in the oven, on the grill, and even in the microwave. Plus, it's freezer and dishwasher safe. Talk about a multitasker. Here are some key features. 100% ceramic construction, even heat distribution, scratch and stain resistant, free from PFOA, PTFE, and other harmful chemicals, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. The Xtrema pan is a bit different from what you might be used to. It takes longer to heat up and cool down than metal pans, but once hot, it retains heat exceptionally well, which can be great for keeping your eggs warm. While it might take some getting used to, the Xtrema ceramic frying pan could be a game changer in your kitchen. It's especially great if you're looking to avoid potential chemical leaching from traditional non-stick cookware. If you're looking for the absolute best non-stick frying pan for eggs, then the HexClad 12-inch hybrid fry pan will be your new kitchen MVP. This spacious pan gives you plenty of room to whip up hearty frittatas or sear multiple steaks at once. The unique hexagonal design isn't just for show. Those stainless steel ridges create peak searing power, while the non-stick valleys between them make cleanup a breeze. You get the best of both worlds, crispy sears and easy release. Cooking eggs in this frying pan is literally a chef's dream. It's no wonder Gordon Ramsay is such a big fan of this unique hybrid cookware. The Stay Cool handle is a nice touch too, letting you confidently maneuver the pan without oven mitts. While it's not the lightest pan at 3.8 pounds, that heft translates to durability. With proper care, this could be the last 12-inch frying pan you'll need to buy for a long time. Plus, it's available in 7-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 14-inch sizes as well, so you can easily pick the best size frying pan for eggs that fits your cooking needs. So, what is the best pan for frying eggs? In my opinion, the best frying pan for eggs is the Heritage Steel Eater Series 12-inch fry pan. This American-made pan boasts impressive 5-ply construction, giving you excellent heat distribution and superb durability. The cooking surface is made from 304 stainless steel, also known as 1810s. This means your pan is stable, long-lasting, and completely non-toxic. No need to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Heat distribution is truly outstanding with this pan. The 3-layer aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers ensures your eggs cook evenly, whether in the center or near the edges. Got an induction cooktop? No problem. The outer layer is magnetic, making it compatible with all stovetops. One of the best features of this pan is its fully clad construction. Unlike some cheaper options, the 5-ply design extends throughout the entire pan, not just the bottom. This means you can use the sides for cooking too, perfect for those larger batches of scrambled eggs. Cleanup is a cinch with this pan. While hand washing is recommended, you won't have to deal with any finicky coatings or special care instructions. Just give it a good scrub and you're good to go. Admittedly, it's not the cheapest option out there, but considering its quality USA-made construction and lifetime warranty, it's a solid investment for your kitchen. So, those are the best pans for frying eggs that you can buy right now. Although I have my favorites, I'm happy to recommend every single one of these products if you're seeking the best frying pan for fried eggs. Again, you'll find the links to each of these products in the description box below. And with that said, if you enjoyed this video, you might consider giving it a like and hitting that subscribe button.